Did you know you can get your liquid dishwashing soap with just 3 ingredients? They say knowledge is power, and if you know, you know. Sit tight, let me show you how I got this dishwashing liquid soap with just 3 ingredients, as you can see in this video. First of all, you need just your SLS, which is the first one I touched that looks like rice, and this one I'm holding right now, there's a these two are foaming agents, while the salt acts as a thickening agent. I'll be using 500 grams of table salt and 50 grams of SLS and 50 grams of texapon. For this quantity, I'll be using about 7 liters of water. This is for me to have a very thick consistency, but if you want your own to be lighter, of course, you feel free to add more water, okay? So this is my 7 liters of water. I'll be sharing it into 2. Into the first half, I'll go in with a sachet of salt first, which is 250 grams of salt. I will first of all pour it into the half of the water and dissolve it properly, as you can see in this video. Now, you really need to dissolve this very well. Don't just pour it and allow it to dissolve on its own. That will take so much time. So you need to stir until you see that everything is well dissolved and looking whitish like this, okay? It's really so easy to mix at this point, so you don't need to stress yourself mixing it. You just a little by little, okay? So when you see that everything is properly mixed, you go in with your SLS. This one looks like rice. Yes, most people call it rice when they go to buy the chemicals in store. They call it rice. You keep stirring this rice that you've added into this already dissolved salt until everything is properly mixed. Please take note that everything might not be properly mixed at this point, so you mix it till it's about 70% dissolved. Then you can add in the other remaining chemical, okay? Guys, as you are mixing, you can see that the mixture is already foaming, which means our liquid soap is getting there. Why don't you try this mixture? Stop wasting your money. I mean, why would I spend so much to get my dishwashing soap while I can spend so little? I hope you are enjoying this video up to this point. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like and share. And if you're watching on Facebook, please don't forget also to follow, comment, like and share for more friends to see. Now that our mixture is about 70% dissolved, I'll go in with my texapon. This texapon is called floating gel because it cannot dissolve inside ordinary water. When you pour it into ordinary water, my dear, it will just stick. It will just come so strong that it can never dissolve again, so you have lumps in your dishwashing liquid. Please don't make that mistake, okay? Once you add the texapon into the water that contains salt and SLS, you will see it dissolve on its own and the foam will become more. It will become more foamy, okay? So we keep mixing until you see that everything also is about 80-90% dissolved. You can go in with more water in order for it to properly dissolve if it's too thick for you. Or you can also add more salt if you feel it's too light, okay? If it's too watery for your liking. Do you understand? That way you have a very nice consistency. So feel free to add salt or more water depending on how thick or how light you want it. I just have to put in my hand to check if everything is at least 80% dissolved and how consistent it is. How thick it is, to see if I'll be needing more salt or more water. But I noticed it's still light. I have to go in with the remaining salt, which is 250 grams. That's to make it 500 grams, as I told you earlier in this video. So as I keep stirring, I will notice, or you will notice, that the thing gets thicker. Please hold on, take note of this. This liquid soap we are making now is not multi-purpose soap. It's strictly for dishwashing, plate washing. Do you understand? Because it contains a lot of salt. When you use it for your car washing, it will peel your paint. It's too corrosive. So please don't use it for your car washing or some kind of clothes. It's not advisable. Next thing is to go in with your color, which is optional, but color makes it so attractive. Remember not to add your color directly into the mixture. So all you need to do is to get a little quantity of water, and then the quantity of color you'll be using mix it together till it dissolve, and then go add it into the solution. You keep stirring until everything is mixed together. Guys, our liquid soap is ready. I mean, our dishwashing soap is ready. Please, as I said earlier, don't use this to wash your car, because over time your paints will be peeled off or damaged. And mind the kind of clothes you use it for. I would advise you use it for just your plate and then maybe mopping your floor. Okay, at this point what I will need to do is I will allow it to settle. It's too foamy for anything right now. I'll allow it to settle for at least 4 hours. Let the foam on top all settle down and be crystal clear. So if you want to do this in the morning, you can do it in the morning and then finish up in the evening, or if you make it in the evening, you can finish up in the morning, I mean the next morning. So this is it after about 3 to 4 hours. I didn't just continue because I wanted to see how clear it is. And now this is it the next morning, because I did this in around about 5:30 p.m. the previous day, and this is the final look. Guys, this looks so yummy. I mean, if I'm to eat it, I'll say it's so yummy. The next thing is to go in with your perfume. Please, myself, I don't like to go in directly with the perfume, because this perfume can actually make this to lose its consistency, can make it to turn watery. So what I do is I dilute my perfume first and then add into the solution. We are good to go. At this point, the fragrance is everywhere. Guys, please don't add this your fragrance before packaging. Once you add your perfume, package it, okay? Else everything will smell off. This is me packaging my soap. I'm so happy. I got this with 1,650 naira, if I may say, as at January 2025. Guys, it's more than this I can show in this video. It's quite large, about 7 liters of water I used in dissolving these things, and I've got my dishwashing liquid. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe. As I said earlier, comment, like and share. I appreciate you, and I want to see you in my next video. This is me testing the foaminess of this, or how will I say, how foamy it can be, and it came out nice. Trust me, you will not regret it. Why won't you try this next time? Tell me if you'll be trying it in the comment section, or if you appreciate it too. Thank you, and see you in my next one. Bye.